Okay, so the sawmill is now pretty much done, and now we are working on the foundation where we are going to put the sawmill. So today we have done a lot of work here. We dug out all of this area, put on gravel. Now the next step is going to be to put on ground cover and then even more gravel. So this right here is my wood shop. So of course we're going to have to paint this wall, and then out from approximately here there's going to be a wall 90 degrees out and all the way to this oak tree over here. So that is going to be like the back wall for the sawmill, and then there's going to be a roof over there.